Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
So, dear GM, consciousness is asleep. To wake up is a choice, and the right efforts, hard efforts, single focused efforts will help wake up. Is this correct?
Your consciousness is ever wakeful inwardly. Your consciousness is never asleep inwardly. Why I say your consciousness is sleeping? Because inwardly it never settles to know its wakefulness. Inwardly it never settles to know its conscious state. It accepts that it is the form, that it is born, that it is a person at the duality level, at the surface level, in space. Your consciousness does not know that it is already in the non-dual state, prior to the duality state, prior to the duality form happening. By not knowing its non-dual richness, where it is already, it is accepting that it is born, it is accepting that it is a form in duality, and it is accepting that it is a person in duality. Why? It is already in the non-dual state. Why it accepts the duality state to be itself and to be real? Because your consciousness does not know that it is ever wakeful inwardly. Your consciousness does not know that it is only consciousness inwardly. That's why I say your consciousness is sleeping. This sleep is only at the duality level, not at the non-dual level. Your consciousness, by accepting itself to be a person, remains asleep at the duality level. At the non-dual level, it is ever wakeful. And for your consciousness to know its wakefulness, and for your consciousness to know the conscious state, all that is needed is to be conscious of itself. And to be conscious of itself, no effort is needed. All the efforts are with respect to movements, and all efforts are only at the duality level, which is never you. Effortlessly you are conscious. You cannot become conscious, and you are already conscious. So the moment you close your eyes, you come to know the conscious state, the unmoving state. Just by closing eyes, you get to know your conscious state. Only thing is, you are not settling inwardly in this wakefulness, in this stillness. So I am helping you to close your eyes and know the unmoving stillness within you, where you are conscious of your presence. The more and more you settle inwardly, you remain peaceful and joyful inwardly, and from this conscious state, from this unmoving stillness, know to observe silently. Now you observe silently with eyes closed. Even when eyes are open, know to observe silently without words, without identifications. Just observe silently. By observing silently, you are not deviating from the non-dual state. So whenever you observe silently, you are at the non-dual state. Whenever you observe through words or identifications, your identification with the duality show is too much. By identifying the duality state, which is not yourself to be yourself, you are unable to know your conscious state, which is already in the non-dual reality. You are asking whether any effort is needed. No effort is needed. I tell you, just close your eyes wherever you are, whenever you are free, and know the stillness within. And in this stillness, you know how to observe silently. Just now you only observe the stillness also. Because there's no object inwardly, you don't use any words. Even when eyes are open, just observe silently irrespective of the appearance of the objects in space. Observe silently and respond only when it is essential. By observing silently, beyond words, you are settling in your original state. And to observe silently, no effort is needed. Because that is your original state. You always observe whether eyes are closed or open. This you are yet to know. You assume that you observe only when eyes are open. No, it is not so. Even when eyes are closed, you only observe, because the observer is beyond movement, beyond duality, beyond space. Only the eyes open, close. And you, the observer, prevail eternally prior to the movement of the duality. And I tell you, no effort is needed to know the conscious state. As you are more with the knowledge, more with the words, more with identifications, initially you need to stay beyond words. Initially you need to stay beyond identifications and start giving preference only to yourself. The moment you give preference to yourself, you get to know the conscious state. So to know the conscious state, no effort is needed. Just giving preference to yourself is more essential. And how to give preference to yourself? Simply close your eyes, because yourself is beyond space. And you give preference to yourself only when you settle beyond space. And how to settle beyond space? When you are already beyond space? Simply close your eyes and you know that you are already beyond space. And by knowing that you are already beyond, you get to know the conscious state. Effortlessly, you are conscious only. You cannot become conscious, I tell you. All this becoming are only at the duality level. At the non-dual level, neither becoming nor doing. You are already are. You are already in your original destination. Just closing eyes is enough. No effort is needed. At the duality level, you give preference to everything except yourself. So I am telling, give preference to yourself rather than spending time by worrying about the duality happenings where there is not even an iota of reality. Whenever you are free, spend that time to be with yourself. So be with yourself inwardly as much as possible, so that you can remain peaceful, joyful, wakeful, through which you can wake up totally to realize that you are eternally that and endlessly that. Just by closing eyes, you start giving preference to yourself, which never moves. And just by knowing the unmoving conscious state, you remain wakeful inwardly. So, knowing the conscious state is effortless. Remaining wakefulness is effortless. The non-dual state itself is effortlessly ever present. No effort is needed to know your non-dual reality. Simply closing eyes is enough. And when you close your eyes, you know the stillness within. And in stillness, I am ever with you. In stillness, you remain wakeful to realize your original state. Effortlessly you are that, endlessly you are that, eternally you are that. Wake up consciously and know.